Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna talk about 11 signs you are melting her heart. It is often said that figuring out women is close to impossible. All their signs are obvious yet unbelievably subtle. So, how do you know if she's into you? Here are 11 signs to tell if that girl who melts your heart feels the same way about you. 1. Nothing is more important than you. She responds to your texts, pings, tweets, social networking chats and emails in less than an hour. Your phone calls are never ignored without a long sorry message. 2. She repeats the phrase someone like you. Either her description of Mr. Perfect is someone very similar to you, or she just admits that she wants someone like you over and over again. 3. Her friends are now your friends. If a girl likes you, her friends know. Hence they try to add you on your social networking page or meet you, but none of her girlfriends are ever allowed to carry on a conversation with you for more than 5 minutes. 4. She is always one step too close. Whether you're sitting at a restaurant or you're walking on the streets, she is always that one step too close with her hands brushing yours. 5. She is there for you no matter what. Doesn't matter if it's midday or midnight, sober or drunk, if you call, she will answer and talk. She may have to sleep to look fresh for the biggest moment of her life tomorrow, but she'd rather be talking to you. 6. Your ex-girlfriends are her best and worst topics. She wants to know everything about your ex-girlfriend so she can determine what you like and don't. But she also tells you why you're so much better off without them and picks on them constantly. 7. Everything about you is a big deal. Be it your birthday, your parents' wedding anniversary, or even a promotion at work, she is overjoyed for you. She always lets you know how your happiness makes her happy. 8. She always has a smile for you. When you're having an awfully bad day, she will do everything she can to make you smile. She will not rest until she knows you're okay. 9. She makes sure everything is perfect. If you make plans to meet, she reconfirms thrice because she wants to know for sure you'll be there. When she shows up 5 minutes early, she'll be dressed to perfection. Even if you're meeting her at 2 in the morning, she'll make an effort to look good for you. 10. She has her jealous moment. If you tell her about this girl you believe is pretty, you will find an obvious change in her tone. She will then proceed to give you an hour's lecture about anything and everything she can find wrong in that girl. 11. Every word you utter matters. She not only listens carefully to everything you say, but she remembers the tiniest details from every conversation you've ever had. Don't be surprised when your birthday gift is something you mentioned once in a drunk conversation in the middle of the night 3 months ago. Or she responds to your texts, pings, tweets, social networking chats and emails in less than an hour. Your phone calls are never ignored without a long sorry message. Either her description of Mr. Perfect is someone very similar to you, or she just admits that she wants someone like you over and over again. If a girl likes you, her friends know. If you like this video, promote the video with a thumbs up and sub to the channel will be great. See you in another video.